Looking for a ride that's fast, fun, and easy to store? In this video, we'll reveal the best foldable electric scooter options that combine speed, portability, and smart features perfect for commuting or weekend adventures. Stay tuned. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Arwibon 5600W Folding Electric Scooter. The Arwibon 5600W Folding Electric Scooter is a beast when it comes to power and performance. Built for speed enthusiasts and off-road adventurers alike, this scooter is equipped with a massive 5600W motor capable of reaching an exhilarating top speed of 40 to 46 miles per hour. It's not just about speed. The scooter boasts a rugged 11-inch rubber tire setup designed to handle various terrains with ease. A robust aluminum and iron frame supports riders up to 440 pounds, making it ideal for larger users seeking a reliable and powerful electric scooter. Its dual braking system, featuring front and back oil brakes combined with an electronic brake, ensures safe, responsive stopping even at high speeds. A 27Ah battery offers a range of 25 to 30 miles per charge, which suits most urban commutes or weekend adventures. The 6 to 8 hour charging time is reasonable given the performance it delivers. Its foldable design adds portability, while the striking orange color makes a bold statement on the road. Designed to conquer slopes of up to 45 to 50 degrees, it's a reliable choice for hilly terrain. Number 2. Smart 350W Folding Electric Scooter. Compact, efficient, and surprisingly powerful for its size, the Smart 350W Folding Electric Scooter is designed with city commuters in mind. With a top speed of 30 kilometers per hour and 3 selectable speed levels, this scooter provides excellent flexibility for navigating through traffic or leisurely rides around town. Safety is prioritized through its dual braking system, featuring a front electric brake and rear disc brake, ensuring prompt and reliable stopping whenever needed. Its IP54 waterproof rating means light rain won't disrupt your journey. A standout feature is the integrated smartphone app, offering controls like a scooter lock, speed and battery monitoring, light switches, and cruise control, all from your phone. The Smart 350W folds in just 3 seconds, making it a space-saving, portable companion weighing just 12.5 kilograms. A durable aluminum alloy frame supports riders up to 120 kilograms. Its 8.5-inch honeycomb tires are puncture-resistant and suitable for urban streets. The sine wave motherboard ensures smooth acceleration and braking, eliminating the jerky feel found in many budget scooters. With a range of 20 to 25 kilometers per charge and a 4 to 6 hour charging time, it's well suited for daily errands and short commutes. Number 3. Dual Brake Folding Electric Scooter. The Dual Brake Folding Electric Scooter from Freeboy is a reliable, commuter-friendly option that balances safety, convenience, and performance. Powered by a 350-watt motor, it offers a maximum speed suited for urban environments, paired with a decent range of 30 to 35 kilometers per charge. Its 8.5-inch explosion-proof tires provide a worry-free ride on paved roads and light paths, while its IPX5 waterproof rating ensures dependable use in light rain. As the name suggests, this scooter emphasizes braking safety with its dual brake system, front and rear, delivering responsive stopping power whenever needed. The foldable, lightweight design, tipping the scale at just 12.5 kilograms, makes it easy to carry and store when not in use. It's powered by a 48-volt battery and features a 5 to 8 hour charging window, ideal for overnight charging. The frame is durable, designed for unisex riders, and the scooter can handle modest inclines thanks to its front-wheel drive system. Number 4. HXX6 Folding Electric Scooter. Designed for urban commuters who value portability and smart features, the HXX6 folding electric scooter combines simplicity with reliable performance. Powered by a 350-watt motor that peaks at 500 watts, it achieves a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, ideal for city streets and park paths.
The compact 5.5-inch tires and lightweight 10.5-kilogram frame make it one of the most portable options in its class. It's easy to fold and store, perfect for carrying on public transport or stowing in a car trunk. A 7.5 Ah 36-volt battery delivers a range of up to 27.5 kilometers per charge, adequate for daily commutes and short errands. Safety is enhanced with front LED headlight, brake light, and a reliable disc brake system, ensuring visibility and responsive stopping. Its IPX54 waterproof rating offers protection against splashes and light rain. The HXX6 also includes thoughtful design features like a metal bell, an aluminum alloy frame for durability, and a compact charging time of 4 to 6 hours. Number 5. Arwibon Q30 Folding Electric Scooter. The Arwibon Q30 Folding Electric Scooter strikes a solid balance between power and portability, built for riders who need a bit more muscle for off-road or city commutes. Fitted with a 2500-watt motor, it achieves a respectable top speed of 25 to 30 miles per hour, more than enough for zipping through traffic or tackling back roads. Its 11-inch off-road tires provide excellent grip and stability on both urban streets and rougher surfaces. The 16Ah battery offers a generous range of 20 to 30 miles per charge, covering most daily commutes and recreational rides comfortably. Charging takes about 6 to 8 hours, making it convenient for overnight power-ups. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.